Good day to you all. I am C.S. Srinivasrao, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Science, SVKP and Dr. K.S. Raju, Arts and Science College, Penugonda. Today I discuss cloud computing services. Now there are various cloud computing services. Among those, I will discuss only three. One is software as a service. Second, platform as a service. Third, infrastructure as a service. Along with these three, storage as a service, software plus service, hardware as a service. But I discuss only three: software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. Different businesses use some of these services or all of these components according to their requirement. Now, services model. Software as a service. This is indicated with first software S capital as a both small s and services capital S. Software as a service. Now there is a tool for using this software as a service. Is called web browser. Use this web browser. The service content is the service software as a service used by the consumers, that is social networks, office suites, customer relationship management, video processing. These services are provided by the vendor. The vendor provides these services and consumers can access these services, software services. So that's why this is called software as a service. And for example, the user can develop one application, web application. He needs some tools. In order to purchase all those tools, the service provider can provide those tools. The consumer can use those tools based on some rent. So that's why platform, the cloud vendor can provide a platform to develop an application. So that's why this service is called platform as a service. The tool for this is cloud development environment, and the services provided by the cloud vendor is programming languages provided by the vendor, frameworks provided by the vendor, editors, and structured data. All these are to develop the applications. And the last service, computing service, is infrastructure as a service. The environment is Visual Infrastructure Manager, and the service content is cloud infrastructure like compute servers, data storage, firewall, load balancer. All these services are provided by the vendor. So the user can use these services for computing resources. First, I will detailedly discuss about software as a service. Software as a service is a software distribution model in which the applications are hosted by a vendor or service provider and made all those services available to the customers over an internet. So the applications are provided by the vendor. Those applications are used by the consumer. Through internet, this service is available to users anywhere from the service provider. The consumer can use those services. So that's why the consumer has internet. He can access the application anywhere. This is an advantage of software as a service. Traditionally, software application, suppose if you purchase the software application, you have to install that on your own computer. Whereas, suppose if you use software as a service, the software as a service users purchase the software. Instead of purchasing software, he subscribes. Only subscription. He takes subscription. That may be either the monthly subscription or yearly subscription via the internet. Anyone who needs an access to a particular piece of software can subscribe that service by user. This is only subscription, not the purchasing. Whenever he takes subscription, the service provider provides the service, the consumer can use that service. So, software as a service is compatible with all internet enabled devices, any type of. Many important tasks like accounting, sales, invoicing and planning all can be performed using software as a service. All these services. This is about the software as a service. Now the second service is platform as a service. This is the vendor provides a platform to develop an application. So that's why the service is platform as a service. It provides a platform or environment to allow developers in order to build applications and services. This service is hosted in the cloud and accessed by users via internet. Services in the cloud accessed by users. Those services are hosted by cloud vendor. For example, a teacher gives an assignment for the children. A teacher also provides the paints and brushes. Platform computing can be compared to your painting class, where the teacher gives you paints and brushes. That is a platform. So you have to create your painting by using those articles or the services. That is called paints or brush. Paints, brush, all these are provided by the teacher. Teacher is like cloud vendor. The cloud vendor provides a platform. He gives brush, paints. You have to develop the picture. So this is called platform as a service. Platform as a service are constantly updated and new features are added. So this is takes care by vendor. Constantly updated. Whenever the software or the environment updates, the vendor takes care of that update. And suppose if you want to add new features, those features are also provided by the vendor. For this, they need to charge. It provides a platform to support application development. So the platform is provided by vendor, that is to develop an application. It includes software support and management services, storage, networking, deploying, testing, hosting and maintaining applications. All these services are platform as a service. Final service is infrastructure as a service. This is one of the fundamental service model of cloud computing. It provides access to computing resources in a virtualized environment on internet. It also provides computing infrastructure like virtual server space, network connections, bandwidth, etc. The pool of hardware resources is extracted from multiple servers and networks, usually distributed across numerous data centers. Data center is simply provides the service. The pool of hardware resources. So there are several hardware resources. So the user can use all those resources from multiple servers and various networks. From various networks. Those networks are the resources are distributed across various data centers. So this is one example. So the infrastructure as a service. It provides all the services. This is infrastructure as a service is a complete package of computing, cloud computing. So this is the complete. This is the base. So it provides everything. So totally there are three. I discussed three services: software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. So this is the today's class. Thank you one and all.